Today, how to save more than 80% on one of the top audio brands in the world. Wireless streaming savings coming your way. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I am so fired up to be with you today because I am not only giving away a free pair of one of the top rated headphones in the world, I'm showing you how to save 80%. Very excited about this. If you've never seen me before, I highlight the biggest tech and lifestyle deals by viewer request. All of the links to the deals that I find are located right under this video description box. Just expand it, you'll get hooked up. Was, I believe, last month that I featured a pair of iClever headphones. Absolutely awesome. They're the in-ear headphones. The ones that I'm going to show you today actually bridge the gap between over-the-ear and earbuds. I'll explain, but first, let's unbox. The MSRP, the manufacturer suggested retail price, they put on the box at $189. And it has the 1-year warranty. But to find this at $160 as its regular selling price, and then the $49 price, which is typically what you'll see on Amazon, and then the $39, which is the Black Friday price, and now this for $29.99 is insane. It's really unbelievable. And if you take a look at this, and I should say I've actually already unboxed this, I just put this into the box so you could see it. The headphones, which come out of here and have all of their ear inserts, so different size ears can conform to these headphones, although they really do stay in because you have the ear hook. These headphones, if you look up all of the reviews tied to Treblabs, you really will see they're one of the top brands in the world when it comes to audio. They're a front runner at the Consumer Electronics Show. They compete head on against Bose and Beats By Dre, and I think they actually bring just as much substance to the table as Bose. They're just a new brand for a lot of people. So some of you might not have that familiarity with this, but these are lightweight, they're engineered, they really do take audio seriously. I've tested so many different products of these, and this grab at under $30 is just phenomenal. Your calls, your music, your workout, your life, and your streaming all deserve better. One of the top audio brands in the world, Treblabs, which dominates at the Consumer Electronics Show every year, has created a very short online sale that could disappear at any point, where high fidelity audio is not only $100 today, it's under $35. You'll hear the difference. I test a lot of Bluetooth headphones throughout a month. It is rare to ever hear anything like this, where you get the noise cancellation, you get the streaming, the water resistance, countless other features at a price that looks like this. Now for the jump test, and if you actually saw the iClever video, Daria helped me with the jump test. I'm doing this one solo, but I'm a very vigorous jumper. So I put these in, and immediately, again, you get that multi-device connectivity, so you can hear from different devices what's going on. You can have that Bluetooth hands-free calling, but more importantly, I mean, they stay in beautifully. You can see I am really moving around. Absolutely awesome. They're not going to come out. I mean, there's no camera tricks right here. They're moving, they're in, they're awesome, and they're 80% off. If you want to score this deal again, it's located right under the video screen. It's under $30. Amazing. Keep in mind, these sold for $49 as a doorbuster on Black Friday, where people were lining up, and then $39 on Cyber Monday. This is $29 right now. Amazing. And I am also giving away a pair for free to a very fortunate subscriber. Using TubeBuddy's random selection tool to find a subscriber who's commented in the last 6 months. Congratulations goes to Maria! Go you! And they are still staying in. Don't worry, you're getting a fresh pair of headphones, not these, because I'm holding on to these bad boys. Now, for those of you that want to score any freebies or any big deals moving forward, there's a very easy way to get subscribed. Just click on my head here. Look, it's wearing Treblabs. So creative sometimes. If you need help turning on your notifications, or you liked that, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. If you need help turning on your notifications and leaving a comment, just click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.